Okay, welcome back to my video, guys. This is the Chrysler Town & Country 2015. I have the check engine light on. I went up to AutoZone and they did a scan on it, and they told me that my two Upstream oxygen sensors are bad. So I went and purchased two oxygen sensors here. This is what they look like. This is one of them. They're both the same part number, and I'm going to replace them both. This is the Upstream, two Upstream. There's one right here. See if the camera can zoom in on it there, and then that's the other one right down just below the upper one there. So what we need here is the oxygen remove socket, which is a 7/8. This one right here, 7/8, has the slot for where the connector slides through it right here. And you need a long extension. You need a 1/2 inch and a 3/8 reducer. First, what we're going to do is to disconnect the electrical connector right here. This white connector right here. Just press this knob right here, and slides right out of there. And then you connect your tools. Okay, that's your oxygen sensor right here. That's the old one. I'm going to install one of these new ones here. This is the new one. Take the protector off it. It's already got the anti-seize on there to prevent from seize in case you're ready to remove it. And just back down there. It's a very tight spot here, guys. Just have to very careful, make sure that it goes in straight and not cross-threaded. There. Slide this down there. Okay, make sure it's all in correctly. Okay, double check here. Okay, now the oxygen sensor has been, the upstream upper has been completely installed. And getting ready to install the electrical connector. Here. See, snaps in. Yep, that's that one. Then the lower one is next. I already replaced the upper one, and the lower one is this one here. I'm getting ready to remove and install the new one. So just follow me and let's get ready to roll. Okay, first we have to disconnect the connector right here. Just squeeze this little lip right here. Just press it in and right there. And with your socket on the oxygen sensor right here. Okay, and use the breaker bar. Let's do it like that, and loosen it just like that. And that's the lower on the right bank upstream oxygen sensor. These are the two upper, the upstream 1 and 2 oxygen sensor on the right bank. This is the new one. I shall replace. Okay, and you just hand screw it in to make sure that it doesn't cross thread. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's the installation on the lower right bank upstream oxygen sensor installation. Now we connect the electrical connector. It's all in, and that's all it wrote, guys. That's it. Now we have the right bank upstream upper and lower oxygen sensors replaced. The best way to replace the lower one is to jack the right side of the vehicle. Have a better shot of removing the lower oxygen sensor on the right bank. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again. Appreciate it.